Hi there, Roger Knecht, President, Universal Accounting Center. We're going to be taking some time to actually go through in the coming video series essentially what it is we do in our division, Universal Business Builders. We work with our clients to help them implement these 5 things within their companies and in essence help them as business leaders really become the business owners they've intended to become. Now, as we work with our business clients, one of the things that I've actually experienced is as we go through each of these services, they do vary client to client. Some of them have greater needs and we spend a great deal more time in one than we may do in another. We also find that working client to client is very unique because of the business or their personal nature or their background and experience. And so these are tailored to meet each of the client's needs. But I'm going to take the time to actually give you kind of an overview or a baseline which you can actually use to see how to provide these types of services should you choose to actually provide them as well. Now, one of the things that I do want to emphasize is as we go through each of these services over the course of these next number of videos, you're going to see things that I'm sure you're going to want to learn more about or understand in a greater depth so that you too could actually provide these services. For that reason, I encourage you to reach out. There may be a specific program that's associated with these, or it's merely just working with your coaches to understand how to best apply these principles with your own clients. Either way, we're excited to help you become, in essence, what it is you need to be to provide quality value services to your clientele. With these engagements, you'll find that you'll actually step beyond just the traditional accounting services and truly become, for your clients, profit and growth experts, literally helping them implement very important business strategies within their companies to build value. That is the goal. So just as a summary, here's what we do with the clients we work with. We first of all help them engage and manifest. This is where I spend time working with the client to best understand their business, what it is they do, the products and services that they offer, but most importantly, why they do this. What is their personal connection to the business? Why are they so passionate about it? And that's what I'm trying to understand here. It's generally in this process that I find out that it's the first time they've ever communicated this in this much detail, taking what's in their mind and verbally explaining it in such a way that someone else can actually kind of tap into what they're doing, which is myself. So this is a very important process, and it is something that I intend to do with all of the clients right at the very beginning. From that, we then move into understanding accounting, and this is, I think, what's going to be most comfortable for you. It's where we're trying to understand the financials, get into the numbers, see how the story is being told through the financial reports, and really see what it is they understand about the reports, and where we're going to bring up dashboarding, having KPIs. These types of things become integral here because the accounting is the language of the business. From that, we're going to then understand how they make money. What is it that they're doing to market and sell their services? And as we get into this discussion, we find that there's oftentimes this energy, this effort that's put forth by the client, but it's not as organized as they might think or hope. So what we're going to do here is spend a lot of time understanding what it is that can be done to grow the top line revenue. But then we also focus on improving profits. And what we're hoping to really do here is make profits the priority, moving just beyond being in business and kind of existing to purposefully making money and being profitable. And this is a fascinating thing. Oftentimes, this is what we led with in our marketing to get them as a client initially. We were talking about how they could become more profitable and actually be successful as a business. And this may have been the very thing that they actually signed on for as part of the engagement, but leads first of all to all this to get to this point. Now, with being profitable, one of the things that we focus here is on making it deliberate, intentional, and there's an excellent process that we do to kind of bring that to the forefront. And then last of all, it's building value. It's helping the client understand that their business is an asset and it can have value and worth. So this whole process in the coming videos is going to be explained and outlined and kind of overviewed so that you can see what it is you can be doing to work with the client to help them achieve these specific goals so that they can see you as their trusted strategic advisor, in fact, their profit and growth expert. So with this, keep it in mind, if it's about business, it is universal. Enjoy these. Take care and have a great day.